Hi everyone, I am back with another video where I will be answering some of the great questions you have sent in the community comment box about UX UI design, web design and development, about your career. So I will try my best to cover all of your questions. Let's dive right in. Here are some questions that I will be answering in this video. Let me answer one by one. Can you please make a roadmap with free resources to learn UX UI design and get a job? And there is another question that is similar, so I will answer both. Hi bro, my question is, I'm a front-end developer now, 1.5 years experience, but I have interest in UX UI design, where to learn from scratch. I will definitely try to make a detailed video on this topic, but for now I will suggest some ways to learn UI UX design and get a job. Step 1. Understanding the basics. The first step in your journey to becoming a UX UI designer is to understand the core principles that form the foundation of the field. UX UI design is not just about making things look good, it's about creating meaningful and intuitive experiences for users. To do this effectively, you need to grasp a few key concepts. I would recommend starting with courses on design thinking, user-centered design, and basic visual design principles. Now, there are a lot of websites that provides free courses like Coursera, Udacity, EDX, and Hack Design, etc. So you don't need any recommendation, just you need to Google it. And there is no good or bad course. All the courses are great to start with. But personally, I would recommend learning it from YouTube because it's 100% free and easily accessible. There are multiple channels that you can follow like Lux Academy, The Future, Design Course, Jesse Showalter, etc. And yes, obviously Design Sense. Step 2. Learn the tools. In the second step, try to learn design tools like Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, Pixel, InVision, etc. Now, it doesn't mean that you will need to learn all these tools. You will need to select just one design tool, for example, Figma. In fact, these tools have almost the same interface and work method. Step 3. Design practice. Apply what you have learned by practicing on design. You can start designing some personal dummy projects and publish them on different platforms and get feedback from the senior designers, or can take daily challenges for better practice. There are some websites that will recommend you a task for daily practice like Daily UI or collectui.com. And we have also published a whole series on daily UI design trends that you can follow and share your design on our Facebook group. It can definitely give you a lot of experience in design. Step 4. Build a portfolio. In the start, it is difficult to win a real project. For that, we can do some dummy projects and make some detailed case studies and share them on platforms like Behance and Dribbble, etc. Or create a portfolio website to showcase your case studies, or even better. Step 5. Networking and job search. Once you have built your portfolio, it's time to start looking for a job or real projects. Whether you are aiming for a full-time job or prefer project-based work, there are multiple ways to approach this. If you are interested in a job with a company or agency, try applying directly through their websites, sending applications via emails, or using LinkedIn, which is an excellent platform for finding job opportunities. LinkedIn offers a vast network where you can connect with recruiters, follow companies, and apply for positions directly. If you are more inclined towards project-based work, consider creating accounts on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or similar freelance marketplaces. These platforms are great for finding freelance gigs and building a client base. Are you a freelancer or doing a job or a student? Yes, I'm currently a freelancer focusing on UI UX design projects for various clients. Alongside freelancing, I'm also a content creator on YouTube where I share my knowledge and experience to help others learn and grow in the field of design. Currently, I'm in a 4th year of computer engineering and I want to pursue my career in UX UI design. I started doing projects and case studies, but I want some guidance in my life. If you can help me with that, I will be grateful. First of all, you are doing exactly what you should be by working on projects and case studies. That's what will help build your portfolio and make you stand out. Since you are in your final year of computer engineering, you already have a strong technical background, which is a big plus in UX/UI design. My advice is to keep focusing on creating a solid portfolio of quality 2 or 3 case studies. Try to get feedback from experienced designers and don't hesitate to network and connect with others in the field. Internships or freelance project can also give you valuable real-world experience. These days, the competition in UI/UX design is pretty intense, so it's important to stay updated on the latest trends in the industry. Be consistent in your learning and practice, and make sure to stay active in social media groups where you can learn from other designers and share your own experience. You are on the right path, so keep pushing forward. Is degree important to find a job as a UX designer or UI/UX designer? Means specific design college degree? This is a very common question, and the short answer is not necessarily. While a degree in design can certainly help, it's not the only path to becoming a successful UX/UI designer. What really matters in this field is your portfolio, skills, and experience. Companies are looking for people who can demonstrate their design thinking, problem-solving abilities, and creativity. If you can do that through your projects, case studies, and real-world work, you will be in a strong position, even without a formal design degree. Take me, for example. I came from an economics background, not a traditional design field. There is scope in UX/UI design in future. So yes, the demand for UX/UI designer is really taking off as more companies realize how important it is to create user-friendly and visual appealing digital experiences. As technology keeps advancing, there's going to be an even greater need for designers who can create smooth and engaging interfaces. So yeah, the future looks really bright for UX/UI design. Now, companies are mostly hiring experienced designers, not for freshers. So, what skills are important to hire freshers? Yes, that's true. Many companies and clients prefer to hire experienced designers because they're looking for someone who can deliver results with minimal guidance. It's very natural, but that doesn't mean freshers can break into the industry. While experience can give you an edge, fresher can still stand out by focusing on key skills. First, make sure you have a strong portfolio that showcases your best work, even if it is just personal projects or case studies. Companies want to see how you think and approach design problems. Next, learn the basic of user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. These are the core skills in UX/UI design. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of soft skills like communication, collaboration, and willingness to learn. This can really make a difference when you are just starting out. UX/UI designers need knowledge of Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator. Can you explain what tools are important for UX/UI designers? Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator can definitely be useful for certain tasks like creating a specific style for images, using mockups, or designing custom illustration and icons. However, if you are unable to use these tools or can't afford them, don't worry. They are not absolutely essentials. For UX/UI design, there are specialized tools like Figma, Sketch, Pixel, and InVision that are more focused on the need of designers in this field. These tools are powerful and often more suited for tasks like wireframing, prototyping, and collaboration. Do you know how to code winning websites like inawards.com? Because even though I can animate a mockup, my developer often has no idea how to implement it. Yes, coding award-winning websites like those on Awards requires a deep understanding of both design and front-end development. While animating mockups is a great skill, implementing them on a live website can be challenging. However, that doesn't mean it's impossible. It largely depends on the developer's skills and how closely you collaborate. I would also recommend learning tools like Webflow, Framer, or Wix Studio, as they can give you the power to implement your design directly as a designer. After reading all these below comments, I'm sure everyone wants to learn UI UX from scratch. If you can make one series from scratch to explain everything about UI UX, it will helpful to all your subscribers and audience. Thanks. Thanks for the suggestion. I will definitely try to create a series covering UI UX design from scratch so everyone can learn step by step. Stay tuned. So thanks for watching. I hope these answers give you a clear path in your UX UI journey. If you enjoyed this video, then stick around for more tips and tutorials. And if you have more questions, drop them in the comment below. I'm always here to help. I will catch you in the next video.